Senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal on Sunday openly criticized the party in the wake of its poor showing in the recent Bihar Assembly elections and by-polls. He even said that the people no longer saw the party as an effective alternative and that the leadership was not addressing the problems facing the party. Sibal was one of the 23 senior Congress leaders who wrote an unprecedented letter to Sonia Gandhi demanding sweeping changes in the party. Sibal said, "Some of us put our pen to paper and said what should be done in the Congress on the road ahead. Instead of listening to us, they turned their back on us. The results are for all to see. People of the country, not just in Bihar, but wherever by-elections were held, obviously don't consider the Congress to be an effective alternative. The time for introspection was over," Sibal said. "If for 6 years the Congress has not introspected, what hope do we have for introspection now? We know what is wrong with the Congress. Organizationally, we know what is wrong. We have all the answers. The Congress itself knows all the answers. But they are not willing to recognize those answers. Then the graph will continue to decline. The Congress must be brave and willing to recognize them." Sibal said that the reluctance to address issues was because of the highest policy-making body of the party, Congress Working Committee, was a nominated body. Democratic process must be adopted and embraced, even in the constitution of the CWC, which is reflected in the provisions of the Congress Constitution. "You don't expect nominated members to start questioning," he said. Sibal pointed out that Congress had lost all the 8 by-elections in Gujarat, with 3 of its candidates losing their deposits, while in some of the 7 constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, Congress candidates notched up less than 2% of the votes cast. Even in Madhya Pradesh, where the Congress held power till recently, the party had underperformed in the by-polls for 28 seats, he said. Asked if the Congress leadership was taking it as business as usual, Sibal said, "I don't know. I am only talking about myself. I have not heard the leadership tell me anything. I only hear voices which surround the leadership. We are yet to hear from the Congress party their views on our recent performance in Bihar and the by-elections. Maybe they think all is well and that it should be business as usual." In August, Sibal was among the signatories on the letter to Sonia Gandhi, the acting Congress president, seeking changes and appointment of a full-time and effective leadership, which is both visible and active in the field. When asked about the letter, he said, "Since there has been no dialogue and there seems to be no effort for a dialogue by the leadership, and since there is no forum to express my views, I am constrained to express them publicly. I am a congressman and will remain a congressman and hope and pray that Congress provides the alternative to a power structure which has subverted all the values that the nation stands for." Asked whether democratic elections within the party were the answer to Congress revival, he said, "If we are not able to recognize our shortcomings, then even the electoral process will not lead to the desired results. Elections through nominations will not lead to the desired results." Sibal said every organization needs a conversation with experienced minds, experienced hands, with people who understand the political realities of India, people who know what and how to articulate in the media, and people who know how to get people to listen to them. The veteran Congress leader also called for alliances. "We cannot anymore expect people to come to us. We are not the kind of force we used to be," he added. News Desk, Kaumudi English.